right, today we are dealing with a broken spring. Pretty common. Also, all four pulleys are a little worn, so we're going to replace those for them. Get this door rolling a little bit better. Older wooden door, probably time to start thinking about replacing it, but right now it's in good enough shape to get her fixed up and get her going again. So let's dive into it. So as you can see, the spring broke here at the end loop. Obviously damaged the front, and those pulleys are pretty worn. All four of them on this door are pretty beat, so time to change those. I'll change the front ones as well up here. Cables look okay, no issues there. CC, brand new spring, new pulleys, all four of them, and new spring on this side. Now she's good to go. Alrighty, that's it for this one. See you on the next one. Bye.